How to change your farm name on Heyday. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your farm name on Heyday in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Heyday app and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you are in the farm, you are ready to begin. Now tap on the three dash icon located just below your level and this will open up a pop-up menu. From that menu, you simply have to tap on settings. And inside the settings menu, you will see different options. From that option, simply look for the option labeled change farm name. And once you found that, simply tap on it. And here you can edit your farm name however you like. And once you have entered your new name, you can simply tap on done to save the changes. And now to confirm that your farm name has been updated, you can simply head over to your profile and you will see the new name displayed over there. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.